Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will teach you on how to create a hello world using a class in Python programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. So I'm here in Microsoft Visual Studio Code. So to declare a class in Python, we issue a command class hello world printer, and then we have here a function print underscore hello underscore world self print hello world exclamation point in Python programming. And then I declare a variable printer, create an instance of a class, calling the class here hello world printer opening close parentheses, and then calling the method to print the message. So we have here the instance of the class, that is printer, and then call the method. Okay, in other languages it is called a function print hello print underscore hello underscore world. Click the play button here to execute the program. So we have here the output. Oy, wait, let's run again. Okay, so we have here the output, no? Hello world in Python programming. Let us delete. Let us run again. Okay, so we have here the output python-u, and then the file hello underscore world.py, hello world in Python programming. Okay guys, so this is the end of our presentation on how to create a hello world program using a class in Python programming language. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.